Mayang adlaw! Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell para maging updated ka sa mga videos ko. Girls, if you want to have a lippies that stay all day, organic, safe, and affordable, then continue watching. Give a woman the right lipstick and she can conquer the world. For today's video, I'm gonna do the lip stain swatches and review by ShoBeauty COSMETICS. And also, mag-unbox tayo ng free products given by the owner of the ShoBeauty COSMETICS, no other than Mom Shobi. But before we proceed to the unboxing, I will give you a quick tips before buying a lippies. First, you must check the product if it is registered by the DTI. Second, you must check the label if safe ba itong gamitin, what are the different ingredients. And third, check the price if worth ba ang product sa price na ibinigay niya. And then lastly, always remember, choose quality over quantity. For the ShoBeauty COSMETICS, it is already registered by the DTI, so meaning legit ito na online product. Second, it has a double sealed, so hindi ka talaga mahiyang dalhin ito sa saang lugar kasi maganda yung packaging niya. Second, it comes in shades that suit to our Filipina skin tone. Fourth, you can use it in your cheek, in your lip, and even in your eyeshadow. But unlike any other product, it has a lip moisturizer that won't leave your cheek, your lip, and your eyeshadow run dry and irritated. Fifth, it is cruelty-free, indicated that the product do not harm any animal or kill animal. And then paraben-free, meaning it does not involve any harmful chemicals in the product. And then so handy and long-lasting, lightweight feels, parang natural lang na color, parang wala ka nang inilagay sa lips mo, non-dehydrating, especially to those ladies na napaka-chop yung lips nila, ito na ang perfect for you. And then 100% organic, that's why it is very safe to use and kiss-proof. And lastly, smells good. May iba kasing lip tint or lip stain na kapag matagal mo na siyang ginagamit, bumabaho na yung product niya. Itong product na to from ShoBeauty COSMETICS, smells good siyang gamitin. So, may encourage ka talaga na gamitin ito kasi hindi lang nakakapaganda, mabango pa. Good news! It is a budget friendly. It is very affordable. So, when you buy a ShoBeauty COSMETICS, yung price niya ay worth lang talaga sa mismong product kasi napakaganda at yung quality ng product ay nandun. Kaya very affordable siya at worth naman yung price na ibibigay mo. Always remember that you can get quality and safe products from ShoBeauty COSMETICS. So, mag-unbox na tayo! So, eto yung box na may laman ng mga products. So, may nakalagay siyang yan. Tatanggalin natin. I will read this one. Especially for you, I just want to say thanks a lot. You're welcome, moms. So, i-open na natin. Excited na ako. My letter. Yan yung mga products. Thank you from ShoBeauty with the signature of the owner, Ma'am Shobi. So, ito po yung page nila. The ShoBeauty Cosmetics and Fashion, Shobi, Mariam, and Sai. Ayan. I have here 8 products. So, ito. Yan. This one. This one. Actually, I have 3 kinds of product here. The first one is the powder matte lip stain. The second is the premium HD tint and the shimmer lippy. So let's start with the powdery matte lip stain. Actually, may 4 shades po sila nito. So ito yung Shobi Pinkish Nude, Sheena Sienna Brown, Shane Carnation Pink, Shamia Burnt Amber, and dahil na out of stock sila, isa lang po yung shade na meron ako. As what I've said earlier, double sealed po sila. Ito yung first. Yan. So, tatanggalin ko muna yung product. Ito. Napaka-nice ng presentation ng packaging nila. And then, the second seal is yung plastic na nandito. Yan, may plastic. So, napaka-safe ng product. Tatanggalin natin yung plastic nito. Yan. Yan. Aside from this nice packaging, sealed, meron pa nito. So, yan ang naka-advantage ng ShoBeauty Cosmetics. Ang shade na meron ako is ang Shobi shade, which is the pinkish nude. So, ito yung packaging ng product na ito with a gold cup. Yan. Ayan. Napaka-nice. Parang mamahalin talaga, but ladies, affordable lang po ito. So, let's open the product. Ito siya. Ayan. Powdery talaga siya, no? Let's try this with my lips. Ito yung shade niya. Ang ganda! Parang natural lang yung color. Parang natural lang color ng lips mo. Ito siya. So, let's proceed to the next product. So, the next kind of product is the Premium High Definition Tint. So, buksan natin yung isa. Ang shade ay Ateria. Yung second seal niya. So, ang packaging naman ng Premium HD Tint is Black Cup. Ayan. Same. Nice siya. So, let's try this shade. Ito yung shade niya. So, this is the shade of our Arteria. Let's try this one. Napakabango, parang bubble gum. So, ito yun. So, ito po yung pwede ring ilagay sa cheek and then sa eyeshadow. But, hindi ko siya itatry ngayon kasi maraming mga product pa ang itatry natin. But, I will do another video using this product na gagamitin ko sa cheek and eyeshadow ko. Let's try the second shade of the Premium HD Tint. So, let's open this one. Let's tear the plastic, the second seal. So, the shade is the Athena. Yes, Athena. Ito siya. Turn natin sa lips. So, this is the shade of Athena. Napakaganda niya talaga. Let's proceed to the third shade of the Premium HD Tint. Let's open the third one. The second sealed. So this is the shade of Aphrodite. Let's try this one. Pwede siyang pang everyday makeup look. And the last shade is this one. So, we'll open the last shade of the Premium HD Tint. Let's clear the second seal. So, this is the shade of Artemis. So, let's try this on. The shade of Artemis. So let's try this with my lips. Bango talaga niya. So, hindi man halata pero iba't iba yung color ng shades niya. Ito. So, the price of this shade is 99 pesos. But when you buy the 4 shades, makakatipid po kayo because magiging 250 pesos na lang siya. Kung gusto nyo talagang mag-twinkle-twinkle yung mga lips nyo, napakabongga ng lips nyo, lagyan nyo po siya ng shimmering lippies. Ito ang new collection, the Organic Tinted Lip Gloss ng ShoBeauty Cosmetics. So, it comes with the 3 shades. Ang shade niya ay Sexy Love Lip Butter and Pretty Babe Lip Butter. And the Hey Gorgeous Lip Butter. So, itatry natin ang product using this base lip stain. I-base natin siya. Ilalagay natin siya. Ang 3 products sa lips na to. I will open this one. Organic din po ito, so safe po itong gamitin. So, ito yung shade ng Sexy Love Lip Butter. Ayan. Ilalagay natin siya. Ayan. Mas makikita mo yung kulay niya kapag wala kayong inilagay na ibang product. And then, the next one is the shade of Hey Gorgeous. Hindi mo makikita yung kulay ng product kasi may base po kasi tayo. Ito siya. And lastly, the Pretty Babe shade. So these are the shimmering products. Ilalagay ko siya dito para makita talaga. Ayan. Ito yung shade na Pretty Babe. And then ito yung shade na Hey Gorgeous. Ito yung shade na Sexy Love. Kalain mong lip gloss lang sila, no? Pero ang ganda na nila. So this shimmering lippies only cost 89 pesos per bottle. But if you will get the 3 shades, makakatipid po kayo because magiging 200 pesos na lang siya. Sa murang halaga, makakakuha ka na ng quality lip stain ng ShoBeauty COSMETICS. So, buy na and make sure to visit their FB page. Yan, makikita nyo sa screen. And then use the code Miss Judy to get 10% discount. So, thank you Mom ShoBe for the free products from your very own quality ShoBeauty COSMETICS. Napakaganda nila. Kung gusto nyo matry, kung gusto nyo ma-experience ng quality of the ShoBeauty COSMETICS, wag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Bumili na kayo. I-message nyo na sa FB page ng ShoBeauty COSMETICS. Before I will end this video, let me feature the delicious food from Darlene Quevedo. The cinnamon roll. Napakasarap. So, 280 pesos lang po siya. When you want to order, just message her on her messenger account. Yan yung FB page niya. So, mag-shoutout na tayo! Shoutout kay Shara A. Taladhay, ang momshi ng MAPE. Out kay Princess Ella Tito Holiva, ang napagandang estudyante ko ng grade 7 St. Sebastian. Out kay Roberta Davis, ang napaka-chicks na TikTokeress ng Cebu. Out kay Sir Ariel, ang napakasipag na student teacher ng UV. Out kay Princess Anime Tandayag, ang napakaganda at mabait kong student sa UC nung ST pa ako at ang napakaganda at napakabait kong estudyante sa grade 9 St. Agustin. Out kay Momshi Pearl John, ang chicks na Momshi ng Sambuan. Hello, Moms! May special mention po tayo. Ang #1 fan ko sa Naga City, no other than Tita Arlene Pokong, ang mommy ni Darlene. Thank you so much for supporting and watching my vlog. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, don't forget to visit the page of ShoBeauty COSMETICS. Once again, I'm Judy Ann Panugaling. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more videos. Stay healthy and be safe. Bye-bye!